Sorry ass DJ. Sorry ass DJ.
Yes, mga siyempre magandang gabi mga kapaka sa inyo lahat ang ating project for today. Kasama ko ang aking friendship na si Oka. Ito, andito siya sa aking cast ng motor. Well, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Sa Visayas at Mindanao. And of course, ipapasyal kita dahil araw ng aking off today. So, pasyal kita dito sa paligid-ligid dito sa of course, pahinga, and of course, sometimes we explore the beautiful scenario, and of course, sometimes it's the relax. We can eat food, and of course, like a food trip, like mukbang, and of course, first of all, is dahil isa tayong content creator. So, sa ibang lahat, once again, and of course, we always inspired, never expired. Kaya ganda po ng umaga. And of course, maganda ka para sumaga. So, right now is I'm gonna give you like more. Yan ang ating paligid for today. It's a beautiful day. And of course, yan, maraming nagchichikan like on the street. And of course, even all the late at night. Anyway, maaga-aga pa. Today is araw ng Martes, and of course, hindi ganong kainitan. And of course, imagine that is the weather is so cool. Oh yes, talaga mga Jabber, it was so cool. Yes, in here, pwede tayo mag-cafe. And of course, dito na tayo sa park. So this all we do is, I'm gonna walk you a little bit around. So eto na. And siyempre, ang ating road trip, ang ating pamamasyal. Siyempre, I'm always saying we always inspired, never expired. Bakit nga ba tayo nagpunta ng overseas? And of course, to make money. Yun ang ating to put for our dream come true. We need to be more patience, brave, and of course, humble. Sabi nga ng aking indong ila, batang, patse, aliyam maluting kaya kang pusad, pwede ng mga ibang bansa. Yes, dapat naluto yung pusad at lagi ka tang handa. Well, I give you like a motto. Eto na, yes. Yeah, ingat lang tayo ng content. Yes, at ang ating takbo is 5-5 lang. Ibig sabihin, 5 lang ang katapat ko. Yes, even although a little bit like, hindi pa masyadong alasing, wala pang mga 9 o'clock. It was so good, and the weather is so nice. Ito yung park. Yes, but hindi tayo akit sa taas. Pwede rin tayo umakit sa taas. But dito lang tayo sa paligid ng mundo. Yes, and of course, yes, hello sa inyo lahat. May mag-shoutout, and of course, may mag-shoutout to Alice. What's up in the highway right in there in South Carolina. Well, it's my off today, so I decided to do like a little bit like a short road trip only in here at the Park. Yes, my favorite park. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And of course, like I give you a little bit more tour in here. Kaya ganda ng paligid. Ganda ka pa sa paligid. Look at that beautiful view ng ating road trip. Yes, siyempre pag nang ibang bansa, you need to be ready. And of course, among upon situation, that's like sometimes when we touch, and of course, the honesty is too much. So we're gonna go right in here sa paligid ng dito lang tayo sa paligid-ligid. Kay ganda ng araw. And of course, maganda ka pa sa araw. And of course, mag-u-turn na tayo. Ganun lang, dito tayo, U-turn lang, papasyal lang. So just all I'm gonna do is ang ating road trip for today dahil na araw ng ating pahinga. Yes, pwede tayong gumawa ng content, pwede tayong mag-moment. Lahat-lahat na ginawa na. It's a beautiful day, syempre. So, pag araw ng ating pahinga, we wondering to go somewhere else or like to the ocean, parang ocean jeep. I wanted to show my feel. Alright, here we go. Eto na. Okay, so mag-stop over muna tayo dun sa isang magandang paboritoong parking area. Yes, well, actually kasama ko ang Perling Acne ni Madam P. Nag-chat mo dyan, how's your vacation right in there? And I hope you got on the same nice flight back in the Philippines. Yes, so dito muna tayo magpo-park. Yes, syempre content din ito ang ating short road trip right in here in KR. Hello, ate! So in here, eto na. Yes, so we're gonna go up and away. Yes, right in here, saya diba? So look at the beautiful view in here. It was amazing. At talagang napakasaya ng araw at napakasaya ng buhay. Eto, pinashare ko ang ating Frenchie. You can say hi cheersy. Okay, so dito muna siya. So because she loved that road trip. Yes, mga Jabber, kahit kaganda ng weather today. The weather is a little bit like cool. Talaga napaka-cool na talaga ng weather, but in the afternoon it's a little bit like warm. It's really good, and of course, imagine that is talagang napaka-sarap because they have a 4 season in here in Korea. Summer, spring, autumn, and of course, spring. Yes, naglalaro ang aking friendship. So that's why. So I give you like a little bit more tour in here. So dito lang ako sa paligid-ligid. Yes, kaya ganda lang ating road trip right in here in Korea. Habang naglalaro siya. Habang naglalaro, say hi. Yes, habang siya naman naglalaro, ako naman ito gumagawa ng content. And of course, right in here, nagpumukupansin sa akin ang yung mga rocks in here. It's beautiful. Like that in the imagine that is like a really like a good limestone. Wala kayang ahas dito. Okay. Wala kayang what something like a monster. Wala naman. Maaga-aga pa. And of course, right in here, meron sila magandang waiting shed. This one is a beautiful parking area. Imagine the local parking area. It's so beautiful and it was amazing. Diba? Oh, kaya ganda ng paligid at maganda pa sa paligid. Siyempre, ma'am, sa po sa inyo lahat. This year, Kuninjong. And of course, never tired to share my stories on po. And of course, we always inspired, never expired. Ating short road trip right in here in Korea. Paalam po sa inyo.